Why is your computer search slow?
A slow file search can make finding documents frustrating. Common causes include indexing issues, unnecessary background programs, and insufficient system resources. Knowing what slows down your search is the first step to speeding it up. These problems affect both Windows and Mac systems. But with some straightforward changes, you can often restore your search to its original speed.
Check and rebuild search indexes.
Search indexes help your computer find files faster by organizing information in the background. On Windows, you can rebuild the index from the indexing options in Control Panel. On a Mac, try re-indexing Spotlight in System Settings. Rebuilding the index may take some time, but it often resolves most search speed problems for both computers.
Free up system resources.
If your computer is running many programs or has limited memory, search performance can suffer. Close any unused apps and browser tabs. Restarting your computer can also help clear temporary files and refresh system memory. Regularly updating your operating system and uninstalling unused programs can further improve overall speed, making searches more responsive.
Keep disks healthy and optimized.
A slow or fragmented hard drive can affect more than just searches. On Windows, use Disk Cleanup and Defragment and Optimize Drives tools. On a Mac, ensure you have enough free storage and empty the trash regularly. Consider upgrading to a solid-state drive for much faster performance, as mechanical hard drives slow down over time.
Review search settings and filters.
Adjust your search settings to show only the files or folders you need. On Windows, you can customize index locations in Indexing Options. On a Mac, refine what Spotlight indexes in System Settings. Limiting the types and locations of files included in searches can prevent slowdowns and save time, making your computer searches more efficient.
When to seek additional help.
If file searches remain slow after these fixes, there might be deeper issues such as malware or hardware failure. Running a trusted antivirus scan is a good precaution. For persistent trouble, consider consulting a professional. Keeping your system healthy ensures not just fast searches, but smoother overall performance and greater peace of mind.